So this one says Janine needs to calculate the value log 12 of 81. I'm sorry, it's kind of, let me write that down. I kind of got clipped. So let me write that down for you guys. This is log 12 of 81. Which expression could you put in your calculator to find this interval or find the value of this thing? So, so here's another property. You can change the base of something. All right. So let me explain something. If I just say log of m, it's implied that the log base is 10 of m, right? So if you don't see a number there, if you don't see a number written down for the base, then it is implied that it is equal to 10. The other thing that we have that we're going to use to find this answer is there is a change of base property. And that's a really helpful tool. You can change the base of something and still get the same value. So that property, and I'm double checking real quick because I want to use the same notation as your textbook because I already could tell that they're doing some things a little different. Quotient, change of base. Yeah, here it is. The general form that they're using, and this is what I wanted to double check real quick. If I have the log base m, that is equal to, well, that is dumb the way that they're writing that. That is equal to log of any base that I want, c, of m over the log base c over b. That probably looks very confusing in the general form, but basically what I could do is I could say log of 81, right? Because this is my 81, that goes on top, and then this one will go on the bottom. Log of 12. Now, I'm not writing down the base, but it's implied that the base is 10, right? When I see a blank spot like this here, no base, it's implied that the base equals 10. Now that same property applies to the natural log. So the natural log of m is equal to the natural log of e. And we'll talk about e in a minute, but these are inverse operations, okay? We just don't write the e down. Okay, so I can do the, I can write the same property. In other words, if I say the log base of m, I can also write that as the natural log of 81. Oops, let me write the general. The natural log of m over the natural log of b. So this would work too. In other words, I could say the natural log of 81 over the natural log of 12. So those are our two answers.